In AC bridges, we are measuring the inductance, capacitance, storage factor, loss factor and dielectric loss angle. So many factors we can measure by using AC bridges. Similar to DC bridges, what are the bridge balance equations for AC bridges? The impedances of opposite arms must be equal, other two pair of opposite arms must be equal to get balance. That is Z1, Z4 equal to Z2, Z3. This is the bridge balance equation for AC bridge. This is Maxwell's inductance bridge consisting of four arms. Four arms. In first arm, the unknown inductance is connected between A and B, and A and D is connected to standard variable inductance having internal resistance R2, and a standard variable resistance R2 is connected in series with this, and other two arms are non-inductive resistances are connected. This is the connection diagram or bridge diagram for Maxwell's inductance and capacitance bridge. Let L1 is the unknown inductance having internal resistance R1. Every inductance can be represented by Z1 impedance equal to R plus J omega L or JXL we can write. XL is known as 2 pi FL, Z1 equal to R plus J omega L or JXL is known as 2 pi FL, we can write 2 pi F as omega, since Z1 can be written as R plus J omega L. We have to remember that. Similarly, L2 is the standard variable inductance having internal resistance R2, and it is connected in series with small r2 to adjust the working current. Now similarly, R3, R4 other two arms connected non-inductive resistances. Okay, by seeing this diagram, it is a Maxwell's inductance bridge. How to identify a unknown inductance will be connected in any one arm AB. We can connect this unknown inductance here also. Here also we can connect. Here also we can connect. According to the bridge condition or bridge circuit elements, we have to remember what is the Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4. Okay, if it is connected here, no difference will come, because we have to measure only balance equation is Z1, Z4 equal to Z2, Z3. These two arms pair, product of these two arms and these two arms product should be equal. In examination, not only similar to this, they will ask in different manner, this is connected here, this is connected here, this is connected here, but it is also Maxwell's inductance bridge. The unknown inductance will be connected in any one of the arm. Unknown standard variable resistance is varied until some current flow. At bridge balance condition, there is no current in detector. It is the detector current IZ or galvanometer, vibrational galvanometer is used. What is the main difference between AC bridge and DC bridges? In AC bridges, we are using vibrational galvanometer as a detector, or headphones we can use. We are using some headphones in mobile. Those headphones also we can use as a detector, or mic, a speaker also used. When the sound coming from headphones is low, there is one experiment in the laboratory. When the sound is very low, at that moment the bridge is balanced. If the sound is coming from the headphones, then the bridge is unbalanced. If the sound is reduced somewhat, very less sound, at that moment bridge is in balanced condition. We have to remember. In the by using headphones, we are doing experiment in the laboratory. Okay, this is the bridge balance. This is the bridge for Maxwell's inductance bridge. Now let us assume that the bridge arm, this is assume that Z1, the voltage drop in this arm is E1, or voltage across this arm is E1. Similarly, voltage across this arm AD is E2 and E3, E4 like that. What are the bridge balance equation means? There is no current in the galvanometer. This potential must be equal. B and D potential must be equal, and this current I1 equal to I3. Already we derived the equation is Z1, Z4 equal to Z2, Z3. This is the bridge balance equation. The two conditions for AC bridge balance is one of the equation is that product of two opposite arms equal to other pair of two opposite arms. That is one of the balance equation. And another balance equation is theta 1 plus theta 4 equal to theta 2 plus theta 3. For AC, what are the AC bridge balance equations? The impedance product should be equal, opposite arms impedance product should be equal. Another balance for AC bridge balance is the bridge balance equations for AC bridges is two conditions must be satisfied. One is The product of this other pair of arms is equal to another pair of arms and parallel must be same. From this bridge, what is Z1 impedance of this arm, this arm, this arm, this arm we have to measure. First Z1 is R1 plus arms can be obtained like this. R1 plus J omega L1. This is the arm impedance having internal resistance R1. Similarly, Z2 is capital R2 plus small r2 plus J omega L2 is the Z2 and Z3 is R3, Z4 is R4. At balance, we know that the balance equation already we derived Z1, Z4 equal to Z2, Z3 by substituting all this R1 plus J omega L1 in place of Z1, Z4 we substituted R4 and Z2, Z3 similarly we substituted. Now we are comparing the real and imaginary parts on both sides. R1 if you compare R1 equal to R2 plus small r2 into r3 by r4 you will get. Similarly, by comparing the imaginary terms on both sides, you will get L1 equal to L2 into r3 by r4. This is the required unknown inductance and resistances value for AC bridge balance. By substituting this value and standard variable inductance L2 value, we can measure unknown inductance L1 by using Maxwell's inductance bridge.